said plural because it's just one, but the battery in my key fob for my car died, so I have to replace that. So I'm headed to Autozone. Figured I'd try to make a video out of it. Speaking of, I said try because the last video was barely 5.5 minutes long, and that's leaving a little bit of like extra stuff in. So I do apologize for that. It's just been hard to make videos. So I'm going to try to work on that and kind of get back to how I was before everything happened. Like I said in some of my posts, like everything's been different ever since. So it's hard to like get back there, but I'll try. Just because I don't want to put out a bunch of like short, boring videos for you guys. I want them to be entertaining, so I'm going to try to get back into making them the normal length, normal amount of time. It's very hot today. I shipped my second radiator back. Returned it, I guess. I just realized I want to turn there. Oops. That's a good example. My brain hasn't really been working too well. I mean, not that it normally did, but it's been significantly worse. I've noticed. What was I even saying? Oh, I was saying about like returning the radiator for the ZX-10. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure that one out. I can't see a thing. I didn't think that one through. I forgot I have to time my rides around the sun. What is that? KTM. I'm sweating already. I've been out for 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes. This is rough. Someone's getting towed up there. If the light turns green in time, I can go up there and see it. Oh, cool. It did turn green, and it's already yellow. Now red. And we're moving up 1 car length. That's what I like to see. Imagine sitting in an air-conditioned vehicle. Being comfortable, that's crazy. Not having sweat form all over your face. On a real note, shout out to the lady behind me for keeping a nice distance. I appreciate it. Oh my god, we're not going to get through the intersection this time. Just kidding, we are. That light was yellow. That's crazy. There was no way I was sitting there again. I specifically went riding towards the end of the day. Like I waited all day to come out here, hoping that there was not going to be much traffic. And somehow it seems just as bad as like 5 o'clock. Part of the reason I haven't really been riding a lot lately, and also my videos have been really short, is because like I don't know if I said it in any of the, I've only recorded 2 videos since I wrecked, so I don't know if I said it in either of those, but like I vividly remember wrecking my ZX-10R because I didn't lose consciousness or anything. I was like, I fully remember it completely, whereas when I wrecked my R3, I didn't remember anything. Like my brain just wiped it. I didn't remember a thing. So it wasn't too hard to get back on a bike. Plus it was also years later. It was like 4 years later. 3 years later. No, it was 4. Yeah, it was 4 years later. So it took me quite a while didn't even remember the wreck. Whereas with the ZX10, I very clearly remember it. Like I can still feel it pretty much. That's the same guy without the helmet again. And it's only been a couple weeks, so it's a big difference. With that being said, I was pretty nervous riding. Paranoid, I guess, kind of. Just because I don't want to go through that again. It's not very fun. So I was more focused on riding when I was doing stuff rather than talking. I was also in my head a lot with everything going on, so I just wasn't very talkative. I feel a little more comfortable today than I have been, which is good, I suppose. But like, I don't know if you've noticed, I've been a lot slower in the videos, which is a good thing, I guess. So I will be keeping my helmet on because I don't feel like stopping the recording and starting it back up again. And I have expensive stuff on my helmet, so, and I don't trust anybody. I don't even want to leave my gloves out here, but I might have to. Fuck it, I'll just leave one out here. Now you get a couple minutes of me just breathing into the mic. I wonder if I'm gonna freak them out when I come in here like this. Probably not. Good, how are you? Just that. Yep.
Car seats cleaner? Glass cleaner? No, the seats of the car. I'll see, sir. No, I'll see. Number 2.
Thank you. It's a slow fucking day in there, dude. You see that? They all scrambled when I walked in. They are sitting back there chilling. Oh shit, we got look busy. We have customers. I was worried I was gonna have to cut out the part where I gave him my phone number for my Autozone rewards. Bro didn't even ask me for it. That's crazy. I might apply there, dude, if I could just hang around in the AC. I wonder if they get an employee discount too. I don't get paid to do nothing. Hey, there we go. Wake up, buddy. What the hell was that? All right, that was my errand. Now I just head back. Does anyone else put stuff in their pockets and then somehow get paranoid that it just like fell out somehow or despawned or whatever? Like it's just not in your pocket anymore, so you keep checking. I literally just put that battery in my pocket when I walked out, and I'm like paranoid that it's not there anymore. I don't know if that's just me, but it happens all the time. It's supposed to rain all week, last time I looked, but it was also supposed to thunderstorm today and didn't. So if it's dry throughout this week, I'll probably go riding again, try to make some more videos while I wait on parts for the ZX10, which is just really fun. should call her. I want that. Oh, good thing I was back here. They just want to cut across 2 lanes. I shouldn't have went this way. I hate going this way because I have a really sharp turn up here. And I have to yield to those people on this hill. See how fun this is? Thought for sure I was gonna get rear-ended. A man can dream. Oh my God! I'm just kidding. He had so much time to react. Why didn't he just push the brakes instead of revving his engine? That's how most of y'all look in the comments that have like never been on a motorcycle before. It's almost like we have 2 less wheels than cars, so it takes longer to slow down because you have less contact points with the road. Less brake pads. That's crazy. Who would have thought? Anyways, thanks for watching. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to fake it and go back to normal videos. Well, it's not faking it exactly. It's just kind of, I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna be honest. Digging it up for you guys to make the video. And then as soon as I get home, it just shuts back off. So I'm not faking it. I'm just getting it back out. If that makes sense. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you watching, and leaving a like if you did.